Oh shoot, I gotta get a battery out of this before the camera is. Yeah, that'll work.
Well, I gotta watch him go and go down and get a decaf and crack home.
Yeah, I don't think I've seen the lights on this one other
No.
than in the picture. Oh, internal too.
Yes. Nice, huh? Little tricky getting the battery wires in there. Little test. A little bit of video of the underside and the front.
Yeah, here's a little harder. It's going to be a little bit more difficult to tell.
In case I need a thumbnail. I'm ready.
There she goes. She's finally getting in focus too.
Not as bright, but it'll do.
Oh no, not as bright as another one, nowhere near.
Like I said, roll rate on the prop one, it is fast compared to the ducted. It went out of focus.
That hasn't happened since I put the new ESC in.
Hey, I got a streak out of you that time, but I think it was me moving the camera.
Okay. Yeah, not as bright, but it's bright enough.
I've lost you. Oh, there you are.
Ooh.
There. Got a good shot of that pass. It dipped right into your hat.
Lost altitude on that roll because I didn't give her any up.
Yeah.
I didn't think it would lose any altitude at that speed, but it did. Because there's no wind, that's why.
Yeah.
Ah, that could have been a fatal error. But it wasn't.
Well, it's fatal for the mosquito in front of your wing.
Oh, that, did you get that?
Yeah, I did.
Nice.
And it actually stayed reasonably in focus.
Nice. Just about enough fly bites though, isn't it?
Yeah.
I'll come in soon.
That's nice. That turned out okay.
Frig, that thing moves.
Yeah. Way faster than the EDF.
Well, I got an oversized motor on there too for this sort of plane.
Jeez. I'm looking at it in the viewfinder here, and all it was this yellow streak going by. Because I don't think the thing was focused on it very well, and it's just like this yellow streak.
Coming in. Not close enough.
Got to back off earlier. But don't go in the tall weeds.
Yeah. That's, you don't want that at night. It'd be easy to do, wouldn't it?
Excellent.
Yeah.
No?
There we go. That's perfect.